Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can premiere a video on YouTube on iPhone or iPad in 2021. So obviously the first thing that you would want to do is open up the YouTube app. You don't have to use a browser if you want to, but you can definitely do that. But I will not be showing you guys that method today. I'll be showing you how to do it directly from the YouTube application. Now I don't know if this method is gonna work on iPhone, but you can try it. So if you're so iPhone might be in the title, so it might possibly work for iPhone users. So the first thing that you'd want to do, open up YouTube, tap on the plus button, and then I'm gonna look for a video here. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap on next, and then I'm gonna just type in a suitable title. I'm just gonna type on draft because I am making a tutorial. So yeah, so I'm gonna type on draft, and what you would want to click on, you want to click on visibility. Now you see you have the ability to set as an instant premiere, or you can schedule the premiere. So you want to make sure that the premiere is set to public so that people can set the reminders to come back to your premiere. Or if you don't want to do that, you can set it as unlisted for a set time that you'd want to let it be public. So you want to schedule it, make sure that it's public, select the date. I'm going to select the 24th of October. Yeah, and then I'm going to select the time. I'm going to just say probably about 8. You can set whatever time you want to, whether it's in AM or PM. You can set whatever time you want to. Tap on set as premiere, click the back arrow, and as you can see, visibility premiere 24th October 2021 at 8 a.m. So you want to make sure that you're seeing visibility premiere, and you want to tap on upload. Now you click your channel, and once this video is finished uploading, it will be visible to your channel. It will be public on your channel, and your viewers will be able to turn on the reminder for that live stream ad, and they will be notified at a set time. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.